Hello guys, in this video I will show you some of the things that you can do with 18650 cells that you harvest from old laptop batteries or old tool batteries. I had two old laptops that just stopped working. The screen just stopped working and I didn't want to fix that. Laptop was pretty old, so both of them were pretty old, so I didn't want to use them. So I was watching a video on YouTube where someone took these cells out, and then you can reuse them, because if some of them are still working, they can be reused, repurposed. And then I found that this old battery I had that stopped charging and stopped working. One of the cells was bad, and I don't want to I don't want to like fix the battery, because I heard it's really dangerous, working with batteries, and I don't want to deal with all that. The potential of causing a fire. Hopefully in the future I do get better working with these cells, these 18650 cells. Here I have, let's see, so as you can see I have 4 brown cells that I got from a laptop. It was a Dell laptop. These are LG cells. I believe they're rated for 2700 milliamps each. Sorry, they're rated for 2700 milliamps each. And then these red ones I got from an older laptop, much older than the LG than these ones. It's really hard to find what these cells are, but I found in a forum that they might be 2500 to 3000 milliamps. So this is the reason I paired them together. And then of course these blue ones are High Star. These are from this Ryobi battery that I have. So after scavenging these, taking the batteries apart and getting these out from the laptop batteries, I was wondering what I can use these for, because at first I thought these were like AA batteries. I was like, maybe they're AA rechargeable batteries, but they're not. They're way different, and they're bigger, and they're supposedly these are very dangerous, just to have around if you're not careful on how to use them. So the one that was bad I threw away for these. So this battery had 5 in here, and I threw the one that was bad, and these 4 are working perfectly fine. As far as the batteries voltage, I have no idea if they're in the correct voltage. I don't have a multimeter. Hopefully I'll get one soon to test the voltage of these batteries, but so far it's working on this DIY battery bank that I bought from Amazon. This was like 15 bucks on Amazon. It lets you use 18650 cells as a battery bank. Here I can show you the percentage. This is at 34%. It works pretty good. I charged my phone about 3 times with this, so battery is really good for charging phones. Both my phones were around 5000 milliamps, so this is roughly around 15,000 milliamps, I believe, if I charge my phone twice in that same in one charge. So yeah, so I just want to let you guys know that you can do some of this if you have older cells. You can buy on Amazon, they sell like flashlights that use 18650 cells, or you can buy a power bank like this that you can just make yourself. You can put in some good cells if you have any. I believe this goes up to 20,000 milliamps. There you go. And then another thing that I found out just today, I have this flashlight right here. Sorry, I have this flashlight right here that I use. Let's see where it's at. I use a lot. It's very bright, and it comes with this battery. It uses 3 AAA batteries. Now these are cheap Dollar Tree batteries that I use for this. You see, you know, and it works perfectly fine. It's one of those that you can adjust it to increase the, you know, the I'm not sure what that's called. Sorry. You can focus. It has focus. Like, I guess you can see it's got focus. Okay. So I was messing with this after replacing the batteries. I was like, these batteries don't last long. Well, of course they are cheap Dollar Tree batteries that I buy. So I was looking at this. I got one of these cells. I was looking at this and I was like, wonder if I can use this battery here. So there's a spring right there in the bottom, and then this has another contact here. So I was looking at this pack right here, and it looks like all the batteries are inserted differently. So this is positive, and this is negative. So I was like, it wouldn't work, right? There's no way it would work if there's two positives and one negative. So so I went ahead and tried it. I was really scared because I thought this was gonna blow up. It might still blow up, but so far it looks like there's two positives. So I went ahead and inserted it the positive way in first. So like this, and it fits pretty well right there. And then I put in the other one, and you can see it can turn. I'm gonna turn it on. It turns on. Now it's really bright. It doesn't cause a fire if it's smoking or anything like that. Looks like it's not. It's not warm or anything. Let's try this one. Positive. Seems to be working fine. And these are high capacity batteries. Well, this one, the ones with the drill, these are 1500 milliamps. 1500. And these red ones are, these were hard to find, but I believe they're 25 to 3000 milliamps. And then these brown ones that I have here are 2700 milliamps each. For sure, because these are LG batteries. So these are the highest performance batteries I have at the moment. But yeah, this is pretty cool. If you have a flashlight that uses this, you can try to use an 18650 cell. If you have like an old laptop laying around, you can take apart the battery, but you have to be very careful when you take it apart. I believe there's videos out there that shows you how to remove these batteries. I made the mistake of not watching them. While I was taking one apart, I did see a spark. I was very afraid of touching the battery after that. But in the end, I took it all apart, and you know, so far, no fire, right? But yeah, this is pretty cool. Hey, using an 18650 cell on a battery, on a flashlight without any modifications. It just went in there, like, and it fits perfectly. That's, you know, that's really good. Is it the same size? It's about almost the same. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you're planning on using or handling these cells, you got to be very careful, because I have seen a lot of videos after I was using these. I've seen a lot of videos where they explain that these are very dangerous and can kill you if you don't handle them properly. Now, I've been afraid to use these, touch them or anything. That's why I was afraid to fix this, because you have to use like a spot welder or soldering, and I'm not trying to do all that and cause a fire. There you go. Maybe there's someone using 650s of Alright, thanks for watching. It's been a short video, not short, kind of long now, on this things you can do with some 18650 cells, like a battery pack. I'm gonna put this one. Oh, shit. This one's pretty cool. It comes with 2 outs. It's got a lot of ways to charge it. You can charge it with an iPhone cable, micro USB, I believe, Type C, and then there's 2 out. Show you right here. It's at 34%. I've been using this all day, testing it, charging phones to see how long it lasts, and it's pretty good. It lasts more than some of the battery packs I have. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be careful when you're handling these cells. Have a good one.